Number 1. 1980 Datsun 280ZX GL Low Miles, $20,000. Wickenburg, Arizona. This 1980 Datsun 280ZX GL is a well-preserved second-owner car showing just 27,450 original miles. Finished in original mahogany brown and always garage kept, it remains in excellent condition with no rust and a crack-free dashboard. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, this coupe reflects the refined evolution of the original Z-Car formula. The interior is very clean with no stains and includes sheep wool seat covers. It also comes with original paperwork, including the original window sticker. Features include power windows, AM/FM radio with cassette player, hatchback louvers, new tires, and a clear Wyoming title in the seller's name. With its low mileage and originality, this 280ZX is a desirable survivor from the golden age of Japanese sports coupes. Number 2. 1977 Chevrolet Nova Factory Original, $2,900, Tucson, Arizona. This 1977 Chevrolet Nova sedan is described as a factory original car that runs and drives. It is powered by a 6-cylinder engine with automatic transmission and shows 137,000 miles. Clean title included. Clean and straight overall, this Nova represents affordable entry-level classic ownership. At $2,900 in Tucson, Arizona, it would make a solid project or an inexpensive daily classic cruiser. Number 3. 1969 Mercury Cougar 351W Automatic, $3,500, Jefferson City, Missouri. This 1969 Mercury Cougar Coupe is a project or parts car located in Jefferson City, Missouri, priced at $3,500. It's powered by a 351 Windsor V8 engine with an automatic transmission and comes equipped with power steering, power front disc brakes, and air conditioning. The engine runs and turns freely by pulling the fan belt. The hood and trunk are straight and mostly rust-free, with only minor dings. The rear window trim and vinyl top moldings are in excellent shape, and the engine bay appears solid. Rust is present in the quarter panels and both doors, and the radiator is missing. The car is sold with a bill of sale and no title. Overall, it's a restoration candidate with several original components still intact. Number 4. 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, $9,500, Yakima, Washington. This 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme carries a clean title and shows just 3,500 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. One of the most popular American midsize cars of its era, the Cutlass Supreme blended comfort with performance. At $9,500 in Yakima, Washington, this example offers strong performance potential in a desirable 1980s package. Number 5. 1942 Studebaker Double-Dater Coupe, $9,500, Washougal, Washington. This rare 1940-42 Studebaker Double-Dater Coupe is number 1,232 of just 1,568 produced before wartime production halted. It features a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. The odometer reads 44,609 miles, but is not functioning. Recent work includes a new old stock wiring harness, new exhaust system, rebuilt starter, new master brake cylinder, and a replacement engine, with the original engine included in the sale. With minimal rust and a clean title, this historically significant pre-war classic is offered at $9,500 in Washougal, Washington. Number 6. 1953 Studebaker Starliner Champion hardtop restomod, $14,500, Southern California. This 1953 Studebaker Starliner Champion hardtop restomod is located in Southern California and comes with a clean title. It is powered by a small block V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it has a Turner front disc brake conversion with a dual master cylinder for improved stopping power. The car has been shaved and lowered, finished in monotone green, and equipped with tri-bar headlights, a smoothie front bumper, and 17-inch wheels for a custom look. The stock interior is complete and includes both the original bench seat and a set of Porsche bucket seats. Widely considered one of the most beautiful American coupes of the 1950s, this Starliner blends classic Raymond Loewy styling with modern upgrades for better drivability. Number 7. 1972 Plymouth Gold Duster, $3,600, Cabazon, California. This 1972 Plymouth Gold Duster, located in Cabazon, California, is equipped with the reliable slant 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The odometer shows 66,641 miles and has rolled over. It currently runs and yard drives using a temporary fuel can. The car is being sold with a bill of sale and does not have a title. There is rust in the spare tire well, on the driver's side A-pillar, and beneath the passenger side taillight. The interior is rough, but appears complete. Other than the areas mentioned, the seller describes it as a solid California car. The Gold Duster represents a well-known compact from the muscle car era, appreciated for its lightweight body and available performance upgrades. At this price point, it offers an affordable entry into a classic Mopar project with solid potential. Number 8. 1963 Ford Thunderbird, $14,000, Elk Grove, California. This 1963 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is powered by its original 390 cubic inch V8 with automatic transmission and shows 48,419 miles. The body is straight and rust-free, and it carries a clean title. Upgrades include chrome headers, dual exhaust, working power windows, power driver seat, and modern audio with Bluetooth capability. At $14,000 in Elk Grove, California, this is a strong example of early 1960s American personal luxury. Number 9. 1964 Fairlane 500, $15,000, Beaverton, Oregon. This 1964 Fairlane 500 two-door hardtop in Beaverton, Oregon is powered by a rebuilt 289 cubic inch V8 engine featuring forged flat-top pistons, bored .030 over, 351 cylinder heads, an aluminum radiator, and upgraded carburation. It is backed by an automatic transmission with rear-wheel drive. Notable upgrades include front disc brakes from a 1967 Mustang with the Kelsey Hayes dual caliper setup, new suspension components, a new gas tank, power steering, reupholstered seats and headliner, rear seat belts, and original air conditioning components still present, although the condenser is missing. The chrome remains in good condition. There are a few dents and areas of surface rust, mainly on the hood and driver's side fender. The seller states the car has been driven daily during the summer months without problems. With solid mechanical upgrades and regular use, this Fairlane 500 stands out as a dependable and honest classic driver. Number 10. 1967 Plymouth Belvedere 2, $14,500, Kansas City, Missouri. This 1967 Plymouth Belvedere 2 two-door hardtop shows 49,000 original miles and comes with a clean title. It is powered by a built 340 cubic inch V8, bored .3 over, equipped with Indy aftermarket cylinder heads and a TCI automatic transmission. The interior is very nice and largely original, featuring factory air conditioning. With new exhaust, shocks, and high-quality wheels and tires, this strong Mopar muscle car is offered at $14,500 in Kansas City, Missouri.